Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all, the pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all, the pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all, the pain and the chill. Cold and I'm all alone, yeah. I can't even see shore, yeah. And I got nowhere to go, yeah. Hoping I can stay afloat, yeah. It feels like I've been dreaming.
How's it going today, guys? Now, I don't know if you can hear it or not, or if it's too loud. I won't know until I watch the video. But I got my mic, so now you should be able to hear me whenever I'm going on the road over the bike. I hope it does good. It's close to my face, but I didn't want to get it right in front of my face on the helmet, so I guess we'll see, because I didn't want to be breathing into it all the time, you know what I mean? So, hey Van. And I sneeze a lot because it's allergy season, and I didn't want to sneeze into it either. Let's see if we can do a wheelie. Yeah, I still got it. I haven't rode all week. I was made for this. Now it's been kind of, I'm not really a fair weather rider all the time, but like I do like riding when it's nice out, and it's been kind of chilly all week, and I don't have the proper gear yet to wear or to ride at night time. I mean, it's not like super cold, like freezing or anything like that, whatever, but it's cold enough, you know, especially when you're running like 50 or 60 down the highway. I need a leather jacket to help out. I'll eventually get one. They're just expensive, and I don't really have the money for it right now. So, till then, I'll make do. It's a wonderful day. Wish I didn't have to go to work. It's beautiful out. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. 30% chance, so we'll see how it turns out. But like 30% chance for thunderstorms. But it's way too nice to be going to work today. Oh, there's a dead raccoon. But today is Thursday, but it's my Friday. I work Monday through Thursday, so 10-hour shifts. So that's nice. 3-day weekend, and it's supposed to be really nice this weekend. What's up, dude? So ready to get this day over with so I can get to the weekend. Gotta stop at the store because I didn't give me nothing to eat. My mama brought us over some food and brought some homemade banana pudding, and one of my favorites is sweet potato pie, and it's got like mushrooms on top of it. So good. Not mushrooms, what in the world? That'd be probably pretty nasty. Marshmallows. Got marshmallows on top of it. Not mushrooms. That'd be good. So I ate that a little bit, and I'm gonna go get me some pizza to have for work. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. after I shoved everything I possibly could into this backpack. It's very tight in there. Get my gloves put on. I hope this mic does good. If not, I may have to get another adapter. I'm just worried about it being too loud or something like that. Not the adapter will change that, but I just only paid $8 for the adapter. I paid $8 for the adapter, so it may not, probably won't be the best, but I don't know what to do about the loudness of the video though. It's my voice is too loud. Hello, Popo. And another fun fact is that since I have my mic hooked up, since my GoPro hooks to my face shield, the way these Icon helmets are made, the mic is hooked to the side and it comes out from underneath my helmet, so that means I can't lift my visor up. Which isn't really the best because it gets hot. Come on, go. Oh my God, no! What? How is that not possible? How is not possible? I didn't get pulled over at all. How is that not? I don't understand. I don't get it. Better things to do? The cops and the wheelies just ain't working out for me. I thought I was gonna be screwed. I don't understand how he didn't see me. I don't get that at all. I got so lucky right there. That was the graces of God right there. Oh my gosh. And we're at work, safe and sound and without a ticket. And we're at work.
Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still, feel nothing at all but pain and the chill. Said I'm cold in the water, broken and still feel nothing at all but pain and the chill.